Hey guys, Macy Kate here, and I want to let y'all know I survived Hurricane Harvey, yet my house did not. Okay, so when we first got news that Harvey was going to come, we didn't think it was going to be big. It's only some rain. We get Texas storms all the time. We didn't think much about it. But as it got closer, it wasn't just rain. It was pretty much a flood monster. So it might have been Wednesday. I just try to forget this stuff, but we had to be rescued by a boat, but I wasn't really scared of leaving my house. More like my dad, he had to stay and move stuff. But yet there was some happiness in that evacuation. My brother thought it was the best day of his life. He loved riding in the boat in a big truck. So, everybody lost their homes in my neighborhood. A lot of my friends live here. About 6 or 7 of my best friends live here. And also my school did not survive. Okay, so now I will take you around my house and my neighborhood. Okay, so my dad told me that the flood water came up to like right here. So in my house there's no power, no running water or anything. And over here is my room where I share with my sister. Anyone hungry? So actually, like, I have all my friends because I'm a really talkative. All my friends are really talkative like me, and even me, I'm counting. We're just not that talkative anymore. We're really quiet now and everything. We just got hit so hard and everything. Kind of put our life to a halt. We had to roll with the punches, I guess. Okay, so in this flood, I lost all my books, but I got pretty much almost like a little bit, like probably 5 books out of here. And this is a shout out. If anyone wants to give me books, I need them and I'll review them.